Otherwise asibangele. Welcome back to another episode bafethu. Welcome zinja zami. Njengenjwayelo sikhona lana bafethu, sikhona. Into lengitakuthembisa yona namuhla ukuthi you are going to enjoy this episode bafethu. With that said, you might as well like it now, because if you watch it up until like the 2 minutes, 3 minutes, you're gonna be lost in the enjoyment and you will forget to like. So please hit that like button now, hit that subscribe button now, and hit that notification bell so that you never miss an upload. If you are a returning subscriber, you already know yalazi udaba. And if you are new, this is Diski Parliament bafethu. Here we talk anything and everything Diski related. I'm not alone. Nginafuza kamba njalo lapho behind the camera. Great folks. Namhla studio kuwe studio folks. Sijabula kakhulu folks ukuthi ube khona la buhla usiblesse ke presence yakho.
Ngiyajabula namfolks ubala.
Nazo folks. Folks kamba njani?
Kumnandi folks.
Great folks.
Na kanjani folks?
Ngiyababingelele folks ngoba ubabingelele kucala kunini
sekudala folks.
But ungathi kuhlwamhlwam nje ubingelele babantu bethu.
Asibulise kwi-fans, sibulise ababukeli, sibulise nje i-followers zethu. Danke guys, niqhubeke nenze kuhle. Diski Parliament ayiyonto ngaphandle kwenu. Siyabonga kakhulu ngento esenisenzile yona. Danke.
Sibonga kakhulu kusenda abantu ebantwini bafethu.
Kakhulu.
Studio sethu siyadevelopa wafethu, iParliament iyadevelopa. Nani niyabona
ayibona iParliament esiyiso.
Bhanya ngathi Durban ebusuku. Lesupportile bafethu. Lesupportile bafethu. Sibonga kakhulu bafethu. Umuntu ngebantu, and nathi siyidiski Parliament nje ngenxa yenu bafethu. We love talking about football, and lokhu supporta kwenu lokho kusenda siyithanze even more football. Football unites people, and we are here to unite the nation. Folks, namhla ngifuna nje sikhulume obvious senza big Orlando Pirates ngoba vele udecide
ukuthi that's why vele ngivele
ngangena.
That's why vele ngangena ngeliphakami.
Sikhulume nga something different, but ngibona le sikhulume ngePirates.
Sikhuphuka ngePirates.
Folks, lana ngubhalele amagama nje like 3 ngifuna sikhulume ngawo. Angifuni ukuhlupha kakhulu namuhla. Umsendami, nguMariko, nguRadio Pan. Sicale nje ngamsendami. We've watched the preseason games. Bafana bethi imoto la ngaphandle. We've watched the preseason games, folks. Umbukelile msendami. What do you make of i-performance yamjita, and what do you think he did good in the preseason? Let's start with the goods. Then sibuke ne areas of improvement, and what do you make going into the upcoming season? What do you make of his performance yakhe, and how will he fit in, and what can he bring to the team? Because now we are chasing more than just a treble.
Manqala ndithi nje folks, like overall angikho happy ngomsendami. Angikho happy because umsendami timbukele like ever since esadlala eJwaneng Galaxy eGaborone eBotswana. I remember wa knock out Orlando Pirates kwi-CAF Champions League. Edlala eJwaneng, wakora 1 goal. And then wayesistar player seJwaneng Galaxy. Wamove weza kuMarumo Gallants eSouth Africa. Wafika kuMarumo Gallants, wascore goals like fun. And then one of the goals that I scored against Orlando Pirates. I lose Orlando Pirates the first 2 games ye league last season. Nguyo akore goal lokuqala le Marumo Gallants. And then lesibili lakorwa kubani Clifford, Jason Clifford. So ndiyamazi uyplay njani umsendami, but kwi-Orlando Pirates ever since efikini akakasibonisi eza qualities zakhe zikamsendami. And I'm not happy with that. Even le preseason, because I was like, okay, I understand akakanikwa chance yokuzibonisa, but kwi-preseason I feel like uyinikwe chance, but okay, show us. And then even quick game uyazifumana chances like to say, okay, show us. But still akadeliver
akadeliver siwabona manje
lento esiyidingayo Pirates, because Umsendami is not a type of player like, okay, I'm gonna dribble ngizoshaya ngevala what, like ezo players is like bo Rele nabo bani akayiyo lo type of player. The type of player, okay, they are trapper eboxing, they are shoot and they are score. Even if we go to play like go Indonesia Stadium Marcel Bombo, like old Peter Mokaba, like bo Seshego, so sidlala kweza stadium we need players like Umsendam, because Umsendam he used to play in those type of stadiums Botswana and scoring goals there. That's the reason why Orlando Pirates chose to sign Umsendam. Because uzasinceda whenever we need 3 points, because sometimes with 3 points umdinga sekukubi yeah, even if udlala emhlathuzo uqomba okay, today we don't need to play a very good football or nani, we just need a goal and 3 points done. babethe ipali kayi-7, you don't care, just 1 goal, 3 points, we're done. So Umsendam simsanele just long that because besifuna ukuwina league, because in the previous season Orlando Pirates behlulwa yilona ibine offensive football Orlando Pirates only to win xa idlala koma FNB Orlando Stadium
pitches,
but mehambi yodlala ko Old Peter Mokaba just because of offensive football ayisebenzi Old Peter Mokaba, then ifike drop points. That's why Pirates got to lose the league. Yabo. So this past season we signed abo Msendami, we signed abo De Jong, because sifuna players ezikwaziyo and they enjoy ukudlala kweza pitches that are not good.
Okay.
So if Msendami can give us that's like a failure. Siyafeelisha.
And Mariko, yeah, it's Mariko. What do you make of Mariko? And Coach Ramtanza, Mariko is a player that used to play le team ya wadi la beka coach akon. Then where Pirates hamba.
He's not a good player for Orlando Pirates. That's all I can say. Fuck. He's not a good player for Orlando Pirates. Not good at all.
Malib.
Not good.
What makes you say that?
Maybe if he can improve, angaba a good player for Orlando Pirates. But
what are those areas of improvement?
But for what I've seen, kule past season, even kule pre-season, agekho good. Because if you are playing for a team like Orlando Pirates, you need to be flexible as a midfielder. You need to be quick as a midfielder, because Orlando Pirates is a team that believes on quick transition. We are not like Mamelodi Sundowns and any other team like, okay, we're gonna build a slow build up play and then we force a opposition to fall like we are a team that believe in sprint and pace. Like that's the culture of Orlando Pirates. You can't change that. If you are changing that, that means you will need a lot of things to change that culture. But Mariko can receive a ball like opposition like two minutes away, but still the opposition ingafika uMariko engakayi pass la ball. That's the type of midfielder Mariko is. And I'm not happy with that. But look at Umbatha and abo Nemtamjela and abo Makhehlin Makaula. The players understand the culture of football. And then if you are playing for Orlando Pirates as a midfielder, you must know that you have your wingers that are very, very fast and patient. Immediately when you receive the ball, you must always like, okay, they are running. If you that is why at times we tend to boo Umaswanganye, because Umaswanganye will receive the ball, relax, and then it's based by like midfielders. But at the end of the day, Maswanganye will deliver a very good, beautiful pass. Yeah. And then uMariko at the end akazoyideliver lapha sebezawudeliver uMasongane. That's the difference between the two. uMariko, he would be slow ayilahle at the end of the day. Or let's end up say
bese sekushaya Orlando Pirates in defense because obviously everyone we go attack.
Everyone we attack ngale sprint yeah. Even if you can take a look at igol le Al Ittihad, there's a goal Al Ittihad le, I think it was the second goal or the third goal. I'm not sure. Ilahlwe nguMariko ezama ukuthena, and then uba ujonga space and time aka receive ngayo ibhola uMariko before opposition izomdispose it, like boma 2 minutes. There was a very big distance between the opposition and then
Mariko.
But still,
ngiyakubamba folks on the point or
Mariko ne makacetha kulahla le ball at the 12 point la makacetha kulahla le ball funa kulwisa phansi play.
Yeah, that's it.
We are amra.
Yeah.
And then it has cost le.
My yellow card, my red card, unnecessary foul, free kicks.
Asiko bahle ukuqala to be defend the ball.
Yeah, that's
yeah.
it.
So if uhlala player phambi kwe-18
usinikete
usinikete inkingi yabo akasil player leli khona next thatha ibhola play leli
what nalokumakha
kahle manje hold ibhola ayilahle.
ngiyakubamba. So it's not just a few areas of development Muslendo Masibuwa. It's the core of Orlando Pirates akafithi kuwo kahle kahle everything. So uthi musumela afakwe i-price tag.
But yona just lose an fans. Yona just lose an fans because it's like a fans is no favorites as, but as a jongba who delivers for the team, who does not deliver for the team. It's same as Oselep. I'm so humble, folks, but Oselepe, that boy is not a midfielder that we needed on the Pirates. But he's just good, but he's not good for Orlando Pirates.
Not for Orlando.
That's what I can say.
Maybe for Oselepe.
Yeah, maybe for Marumo and Bo Durban City nan. But for Orlando Pirates is not good.
Folks, I know name 3 players, but ngifuna hijack. We haven't seen Sihle Nduli play since late October, November, somewhere there, due to the injury. We just recently saw him coming in this preseason games. What do you make of that? Does that mean obviously strengthen Orlando Pirates in the midfield? Siyabuya? Is he going to get more game time? What do you make of it?
Powerful defensive midfielder. Sihle Nduli, a very, very technically good defensive midfielder is Sihle Nduli. Then aware ngespace. That's what we need. Aware get defenders ezisemveni kwakhe and everything, like he's a defensive midfielder that is like, okay, even if I receive this ball, like kukhona umuntu lapha phambi kwami, I'll have an option yokuphasela center backs, I'll have an option yokuphasela goalkeeper, like wisely, like open. But some of the players, like midfield Pirates, they were like, okay, if go on press high, an option man last ball or man committee foul, that's not it. But look at what he's giving us. And then if Orlando Pirates is lacking or defender, you will always find Sihle Nduli a boxing, making those crucial defensive interceptions. That's what we need.
Bamba folks. And now let us talk about our last player, Rediopan. Mina ngokubona kwami lo mfana uyasiphakamisa sathi. Ukore 2 goals in this preseason games. Our main strikers abakayiboni net. Both of them, Butuma coach's favorite. Mahopa abakayiboni and they've got their chance to play.
I'm happy folks go Radiopan, and I just wish coach angayifumana at some point ukuthi okay no man believe kule player because I always say Orlando Pirates needs someone like Radiopan who can press, who can run at players, who can dribble, who can shoot. That's what we need at Orlando Pirates. Radiopan can never miss as a chances as Miss Ombotuma last season. Even if we can take a clip, yeah, chances as Miss Ombotuma, yeah, chances as Miss even Homa Hope last season. Ngeke azikhethe zonke eza chances
Shaphakathi.
zonke. There was a season up wakora 25 goals DDC. A top goal scorer, player of the season. Into ezinjengezibe ezikora like fun. Someone will say TTC ayifani ne-PSL but ukucoordinate kuyafana.
Then Radiopan scoutwe ngile injury. Do you think coach is going to play him now?
I think so folks, and I believe ukuthi if coach would decide ukuthi akaplay uRadiopan over Umbothoma and Makgopa, there's something coming for us.
Okay. Yakubamba.
There's something
totally
good
agree.
coming for us. Yes, he's a very good player. Pacey, dribbling, 1v1, very good player. Like a full player that we needed Orlando Pirates.
Bamba kahle folks. Angathi folks khona i-question onayo before sivale kulento lesicetha ukuyisho la. Ngecetha kudiscusswa namuhla.
Okay, folks, the question mina ukuthi khona player nalolithenga price tag lapha Orlando Pirates.
Ngibani lo?
Chapter clock.
Thaphela uqoki. Nayo loyo ubuya ku-injury. Ngiketheni phela lo.
No,
But sizoyibeka ku-analyst. What do you
times-
think of that?
oh, but kuthi nje impendulo folks like for a player like uThapelo Qoqi, I feel for Uthapelo Qoqi because this get like injury that was very bad last season. So he's been like in hospital for a very long time. So akakadlali nje ixesha elide nje engadlali yabo. So surely akekho fit.
Usazama ukubuyisa.
Yeah, so usagain fitness for iOrlando Pirates ukuthi at least nayo understand as a human being yabo ukuthi okay masikunike fitness maybe udlale at least a half of a season, then xa ugain fitness we can then say now okay thank you. But for now if you say thank you kwi-player like Eseskulani, so who's gonna sign that player? That's why Orlando Pirates gave him at least 1 year contract to say okay you can continue now.
Exactly.
So that you can gain your fitness and then you say
Pirates
thank
does that. They don't just let players go after a season. We saw it who's this?
Olisandar.
Olisandar.
Yeah, that's a
We
humble
also
way.
saw it with Sesane.
Yeah, that's a very humble way to say okay.
And before
we'll give you
Sivan,
fitness.
I want your thoughts on this one. We didn't get to talk about it, so I'm gonna open it now. What do you make of Sesane being released? And thank you for Sesane. This is a player that has been with Orlando Pirates for like 8 years, for a very long time. Orlando Pirates, ila ikhona khona nje, Sesane contributed a lot.
I was not happy with that folks, but there was something that comes to my mind like okay, the doctors saw something with okay no, this player there might be something very serious with this one. And the injuries will carry this player for a very long time. So we have no option but to let the player go. If a player is like injured boma 1 year folks, there are small, very slim chances of ukuthi iphinde ibuyele idlale kwi-team. It's like that in football. That is why ama-players when they are injured ufumana ba ziyavakatshelwa ngabanye like to give him a spirit like to umkhuthaze nje like okay what's gonna happen next. Yabo. You must be ready for a move. You must be ready for anything that's gonna happen.
Folks.
Yeah.
I was not happy with that, but it is what it is, folks.
It is what it is,
what
folks.
it is. Otherwise, Zijazabze Kasham, Sibonga kakhulu for watching up until this far. We truly value that support as Diski Parliament. Don't forget to like this video. Don't forget to share your thoughts. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell so that you never miss an upload. This is Diski Parliament. And we talk anything and everything Diski related. Danke Zinjazab.
Thank you.